Hi guys, welcome to Asian Delight Kitchen. I got a new toy. Let's unbox it. This is a Ninja Foodi power blender and processor system. I wanted a good quality blender, but I don't want to spend hundreds of dollars. I did some research and this has good reviews. It was delivered with the original box. Inside the box, there is a quick start guide, a recipe book, and an owner's guide. Dough blade assembly, cleaning brush, the lid from the blender and processor pitcher. The crushing and chopping blade assembly are inside of it. Be careful when you open the plastic, the blade is very sharp. The pitcher has a capacity of 72 ounces, which is 9 cups. The handle on the lid can only be closed when it's placed on the pitcher to be sealed. There's a small pour cap for pouring thinner mixtures. One storage lid for the smoothie bowl. Here is the base. The suction of the bottom of it is very good. It helps stabilize the base when it runs. The power cord is a good length. Here is the extraction cup with a max fill up to 2.5 cups. And the sprout lid. The extra large smoothie bowl maker and the hybrid edge blade assembly. That's what you get in the box. Let's take a closer look and see how well does it work. I really like the stainless steel and black color design together. Place the lid on the pitcher. Press down on the handle until it clicks into place. Put the pitcher onto the motor base with the handle slightly to the right. Turn the pitcher clockwise until it clicks into place to lock. The 2 extra cups are a good idea for smoothies or juice on the go. The smoothie bowl maker has a paddle that helps to push ingredients down toward the blade when you're blending frozen and tough ingredients. There are a total of 6 auto IQ modes. The unit will detect these when the pitcher of the cup or bowl is installed on the motor base. For the pitcher, there are 5 functions: smoothie, bowl, spread, chop, and dough. The preset time for a smoothie is 65 seconds, bowl 40 seconds, spread 75 seconds, chop 5 seconds, and dough 45 seconds. Pause is like a menu button. It runs when you're holding it. Hit the IQ menu button to switch to menu. There are 8 speeds for the menu function. For the cup or bowl, there are 4 functions: extract, smoothie, bowl, and spread. The preset time for extract is 75 seconds, smoothie 55 seconds, bowl 30 seconds, and spread 45 seconds. The motor base has a fan on the bottom of it. Keep that in mind not to put small objects around it when you're using it. Now let's see if the blender works well. I used the cup to blend ice cubes. It surprised me. It makes very fine crushed ice. It would be a good idea to make shaved ice dessert. I was trying to chop apple with the pitcher. It didn't come out good as I was expected since it chops into different sizes. If you're making something not required to be chopped into the same size, it should be okay. We made a mango smoothie by adding 1 cup of ice cube, 1 cup of fresh mango, a little bit of water and sugar. It came out very smooth. There wasn't any lumps at all. I think this would be what we use majority of the time. I hope you had fun unboxing this Ninja Foodi power blender and processor system with me today. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate of your support. See you next time. Bye.